Today we are going to talk about elements, compounds, and mixture. So first of all, what is element? An element is a pure substance made up of only one type of atom. It cannot be broken down. Okay, that is the important thing. You cannot break it into simpler substance by chemical means. Each substance has a unique chemical symbol. For example, hydrogen, that symbol is H. Oxygen symbol is O, carbon its symbol is C, iron Fe, copper Cu, and gold Au. You cannot simplify than that, okay? By any chemical mean. That is the simplest form of a element, okay? Only one type of element is present, pure substance listed in the periodic table. What is compound? Compound is a pure substance formed when two, that is the important thing. You have to remember that. When two or more different elements are bonded together in fixed proportion. Here, the key features are that it contains different elements, chemically bonded, has properties different from the element it contains, can only be separated by chemical reaction. Okay, you cannot separate it by heating or stuff like that. Okay, water. What is the formula for water? That is H2O. Simple compounds, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. Carbon dioxide, same like carbon dioxide has carbon and oxygen. Two oxygen, one carbon. That will give us carbon dioxide. NaCl, simple Na and Cl. That is sodium and chlorine. Okay. So example is hydrogen plus oxygen water. Hydrogen is flammable, oxygen support combustion, water does not, does neither. Its property is completely different. What is mixture? Mixture contain two or more substance physically mixed together, not chemically bonded. Okay, like you dissolve a salt in the water. Okay, so no chemical key features are no chemical bond. Component keeps their own properties. Composi- Composition can vary, can be separated by physical method. For example, milk, air, brass. These are different types of examples. Now we are comparing elements, compounds, and mixture. Pure substance elements are pure substance. Compounds, yes, they are also pure substance. Like water, H2O is a pure substance. Mixture, no. When you add salt into the water, that is not a pure substance. One type of atom, yes. Hydrogen element, for element, yes. Hydrogen is one type of element. Carbon is one type of element. Compound, no. H2O, we have two compounds. Okay. Sorry, I will write here. So H2O have hydrogen as well as oxygen. Mixture means that you will add a salt, for example, NaCl into water. So that is also not a one type of. Chemically bonded elements are single. Okay, they are not chemically bonded. Compounds, yes, they are chemically bonded. Mixture, no. Salt and water is two different things. Fixed composition, yes. For element compounds, yes. For mixture, no. There is no fixed composition. Separated physically, we cannot separate elements. Can we separate compounds? No. Physically, no. Mixtures, yes, we can. We can heat the water from the salt, and we can get salt, and as well as wet water. Elements cannot be separated chemically as well because that is the simplest form. You cannot uh, separate them. Compound, yes, we can separate them. Mixture, no, we cannot separate mixtures. Now, what are molecules? Molecules is a group of atom chemically bonded together. Okay, molecules of element, for example, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine. They are still elements because they contain only one type of atom. Molecules of compound are H2O, CO2, NH3. They contain different type of elements, so they are compounds. Okay, molecule is the same that has same type of. For example, O2 have only oxygen, whereas H2O has a hydrogen and oxygen. Now we are going to discuss about alloys. So alloys is a mixture of metal with one or more other elements. For example, brass. Brass is a combination of what? Brass is a combination of copper and zinc. So there is two different elements, copper plus zinc. Okay. Okay. So that is alloy. Bronze is also copper plus tin. Steel is iron plus carbon, and stainless steel is iron, chromium, and nickel. Why we use alloy? Alloys are stronger, harder, and more resistant to corrosion. Okay, that is why we called it stainless steel. Okay, now separation of mixture. So how we can separate a mixture? Filtration for sand and water. If you put a filter, then we can extract sand and water. Evaporation, I have just told you that if we heat the water, salt will remain in the jar, whereas water will evaporate. Distillation for alcohol and water. Fractional distillation crude oil that we use in hydrocarbon industry. Chromatography ink dyes. Magnesium, sulfur plus iron before heating. Pure substance has only one type of particles, has a fixed melting point and has a fixed boiling point. For example, copper, pure oxygen, pure water, they have fixed boiling and melting point. Why compounds are different from mixture? Compound is a chemically bonded. Okay. For example, water is H2 plus O2. There is a reaction that gives us H2O. So that is chemical reaction. Whereas salt plus water are not chemically bonded. Okay, they are two different things. Okay, variable amount, original properties remain. Okay, you can separate salt from the water. Okay, so that's all about it.